We'll do instant replay. Can you see that? Okay. Or you can do the TV screen. Videotape the TV screen. Okay, so when you do this, your bottom is good, your shank is good. So that's the detail. Hold on, let me clean this area up right here. Get a crisper finish. So I got that crisper finish right there. Yeah. And so now we can highlight it with the felt. So I'll highlight it. That was the Scotch Brite, and this is what the felt. So we got that. Oh yeah, you can take the screws down within seconds. I got the grill. Very nice. Hold on. Let me clean up his grill. I just touched up on it. Very nice. Okay, and then you can do the ring here right quick. You have a lot of detail, my friend. And if this was more from the raw casting, it would be so much better. You know what I mean? I'm a little late to the party. You would have immediately. Oh yeah, no, you would have totally. Yeah, you would have totally cleaned this up really, really quick. No sanding stick, no nothing. I'm just a little late to the party. But you would have really brought a lot of these things to the forefront. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Like, so they would be really, really more like crisper. And do you know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I can tell.
Here, like finished. So like some of this detail work is kind of, in my opinion, a little shot. It looks like there was a little bit more over here. Like if this was raw, oh heavens.
Yes.
You would just hit it once with the scotch brite, and then the polish. Some of these, they were a little rounded over, and if anything, I was trying to, let me touch this one up. If anything, I was trying to wake it up and flatten it. So like right here, like you want to make things pop.
Right.
Like this. Like you want to really make each detail like
stand
pop,
out,
stand
yes.
out. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And the only way to do that is to have the light follow it.
Yes.
And it's, yeah. Because once,
Refraction.
yeah, the reflection. Yeah, you're pretty good. Wow,
Let me
you
know
guys
when to
have
end this.
They have a cool team. Oh, you can end it. Okay, so here we are. Look how cool this is. There we go. This is rain. And have you seen some of the brushes, you guys? Have you used these? Have you used these brushes?
Well, we use them on
No, the bigger ones. And this one, it has the patina, so you don't really would want to take it out. But like it'll get into all the nooks and crannies. Are you with me? Like in all here without rolling over anything. But it's your patina, so I don't want to ruin it. Wow. You really brought everything out to light. This is such a cool design. Really cool design. Who designs these?
I did.
It's like a Mexican Terminator. Mexican Terminator.
It's a Tibetan monk skull.
Oh,
it's,
yeah?
It's
Wow.
what they do to honor the dead in Tibet, the monks. And
Wow.
so they usually leave them in a cave, so they look very dated.
Wow.
But they do hand metal work on top of them and infuse them with sacred symbolism.
It's gorgeous. Like, look at it, you guys. Such detail.
Yeah, that shines.
It's really nice. Well, that was live from JC King.
That's awesome.
If you like it, what you saw, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like. I respond to comments, so be nice. I'll talk back.